Are you looking for a functional family vehicle with reliability and safety? Take a look at this 2017 Nissan Rogue SV in Glacier White. With fully automatic headlamps, blind spot monitoring, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, roof rack, rear window wiper and washer, heated seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 7-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, SIRIUSXM radio, dual zone temp control, split folding rear seats, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3268A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.